Namaste Javins, myself Javin Dr. Barkha Khurana. Today in biomechanics we will be talking about equilibrium. See, equilibrium means a state of balance, and balance can be during rest or when the object is moving. Or we can say that if the linear and angular acceleration of a body are zero, then also the body is said to be in equilibrium. Or thirdly, we can say that when two or more forces act on a body such that the resultant or combining effect on the body is zero, and the body retains its state of rest or of uniform motion, then the body is said to be in equilibrium. Now there are two types of equilibrium, static and dynamic. Static equilibrium means when all the forces acting on the body are zero and the body is at rest. For example, a book placed on a table. Dynamic equilibrium means when an object or a body is in a state of uniform motion and the resultant of all the forces acting upon it is zero. Like if a person is jumping by using a parachute. Now there are three states of equilibrium: stable, unstable, and neutral. In stable equilibrium, if the body comes back to its original position after being displaced, that is stable equilibrium. When a body which is in stable equilibrium is disturbed, its COG is raised. Like if a book is lying on a table, it is in a state of stable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium means that if the body does not come back to its original position after being displaced. When a body is in unstable equilibrium, is disturbed, its center of gravity is lowered. Like if a pencil is standing on a point or a stick in vertical standing position. Here you can see the diagram. Neutral equilibrium is if a body is placed in such state that if it is displaced, then neither it topples over nor does it come back to its original position. Then that state is called as neutral equilibrium. Here the center of gravity is neither raised nor it is lowered, but it remains at the same height, like a rolling ball. So this is all in the equilibrium. I hope you understood this session, and if you have any doubts, you can post a comment. This session is powered by Digital 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.